After days of anticipation, India's southwest monsoon is set to arrive over Kerala today, officially launching the country's most important weather season and stirring weather conditions across large parts of the country. Kerala is expected to take the first hit with very heavy rainfall forecast through June 9th. Coastal Karnataka is also bracing for intense showers, while Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh also face rain, thunderstorms and strong winds. Towards the north, Delhi is once again under a yellow alert, with forecasters warning of thunderstorms, lightning, rain and gusty winds over the coming days. Wind speeds could touch 50 kilometers per hour, with stronger gusts possible during strong activity as well. Across other states of North India, the atmosphere is growing increasingly unstable. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh are all expected to see thunderstorms and rain, while isolated hailstorms remain possible in parts of the Himalayan region. The changing pattern is already transforming conditions in the hills. Rain showers swept through Kullu and Manali, bringing much-needed relief after days of heat, even drawing tourists out to enjoy the cooler weather.